Hi, welcome everybody. What about you all? Hope you all are well. I am also well. Dear learners, today's class is for class 6, subject EFT. Dear learners of class 6, in previous class we learned about our beautiful Bangladesh and its natural resource and beauties, isn't it? Okay, learners, you know that our Bangladesh is gifted with unlimited natural attractions, isn't it? Today we will learn about one of those beauties, and it is a beauty. It is such a beauty which is unknown to many of us. So then let's get started about it. An unseen beauty of Bangladesh. An unseen beauty of Bangladesh. Okay, dear learners, take your EFT and go to page number 42 and lesson 13 and the headlines: an unseen beauty of Bangladesh. Okay, dear learners, we can see that here are three learning outcome. What do you mean by learning outcome? Learning outcome is the learning which you may achieve after finishing the passage. So there are three learning outcome. After finishing the passage, you will be able to ask and answer questions. You will be able to read and understand the text, and you will be able to write short paragraphs. Okay, learners, now there are section A. Discuss the following questions in pairs. That means first you have to discuss, and then you have to make questions, make answer, and this activity you will be between two persons, that means in pairs. Okay, dear learners, there are two questions. Number one, have you ever visited any interesting tourist spot in Bangladesh? If you have, what was that place? What special attractions did you see there? If you haven't, what place do you wish to visit? What special attractions will you see there, isn't it? Okay, dear learners, have you ever visited any interesting place, spot in Bangladesh? I have. I visited a place. The name of place is Cox's Bazar, and you know that it is the largest one in Bangladesh. And there, what was seemed to me the most exciting, most interesting is the sight of the sunset. When I saw the sight, I was watching, standing the sight, and seemed to me the sun was sinking under the sea, and that the sea became stained, blurred, and it is seemed to me the most interesting, most attractive. Okay, dear learners. Number 2, which of the following activities would you like to do while visiting a tourist spot? That means when you visit a area, and what things you would like to do there. What I would like to do, that is, I would like to take photographs and to see the interesting sight. Okay, dear learners. Now section B, and section B, there is a passage. First we have to learn some important word meanings. So dear learners, quickly take your pen, take your hand note, and start to write down these words. Number one, eye-catching. 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 Number 2, landscape. Landscape. And landscape unfold. And ethnic. Okay, dear learners, there are word meanings. Dear learners, first of all, you can see that eye-catching. What do you mean by eye-catching? Eye-catching means immediately noticeable because it is particularly interesting or attractive. For example, meaning in Bengal, tak lagano. The sight is eye-catching sight. The sight is an eye-catching sight. Okay. And number 2, landscape. Landscape is everything you can see when you look across a large area of land. That means ভূপ্রকৃতি। যখন তুমি একসঙ্গে অনেক বড় একটি জায়গা দেখো তখন ওই জায়গাকে বলা হয় ল্যান্ডস্কেপ। ফর এক্সাম্পল, barren landscape, wooded landscape, fertile landscape, etc. Number 3, unfolded. Unfolded. There are two meanings of this word unfold. First one, to spread open or flat some things that has previously been folded. Meaning in Bengal, খোলা, কোনো কিছু মোড়ানো থাকলে, ভাঁজ করা থাকলে ভাঁজ থেকে এটা খুলে ফেলা, this is unfold. And number 2, to be made gradually known or gradually to be made known, অর্থাৎ ক্রমান্বয়ে কোনো কিছুকে জেনে আসা, অর্থাৎ উন্মোচিত হওয়া। That means উন্মোচিত হওয়া, unfold. For example, unfold দ্য ম্যাপটি খোলো। ওকে, or her story has been unfolded, তার ঘটনা উন্মোচিত হয়ে গেছে। ওকে, last one, ethnic. What do you mean by ethnic? Means ethnic means a nation, or a race or people who shares a cultural tradition. That means in Bangla is upojati. For example, there are many group of ethnic people in Bangladesh: Chakma, Mog, Murong, Garo, the Khashia, that means ethnic people. The Khashia ethnic people lives in Sylhet. Okay, dear learners, here the passage. Now I'll give you the precise of this passage. Dear learners, you know that Bangladesh is a small country. Though it is a small country, it is rich in her natural beauty, natural attraction, natural resource, etc. Today we will learn about a passage which is here, and especially there is narrated about an unseen beauty of Bangladesh, and the name of the beauty is a village, and the name of the village is Shushong Durgapur of Birishiri. It is located in Netrakuna. Birishiri is a village, Shushong Durgapur is a village. It is stood on the bank of the river Someshwari, and there's water is crystal clear, and there is also another the river is Kongso, and it is known as Old Someshwari. Dear learners, there are many natural attraction in the village Durgapur, Shushong Durgapur, such as there are ceramic mountain, and coal mines, and you can see the ceramic mountains leaning against the sky, and you can see the hills of India state of Meghalaya. And Shushong Durgapur is not only blessed with alluring natural beauty, but also rich in vibrant ethnic culture. And there are many ethnic groups like Hajong, Garo, Mandi, etc. Dear learners, the main attraction of Birishiri is the ceramic hill of Durgapur, and the charming landscape along the Someshwari river. The river changes its color when the season changes. Among other attractions are the palace of the Shushong king, the Dasha Bhusha temple, orange gardens, Shal forest, and the Ram, Krishna and Lokanath Baba temple. And how do you go there? The best way to go there, or Birishiri, is by bus from Dhaka Mohakhali bus stand. It usually takes 5 or 6 hours to get there. When you are there, you can go around the city by rickshaw, because the rickshaw pullers know all the places very well, Here is finished, dear student, about your passage. Now you have to go to another page, 44, B1 sections. Complete the dialogue between below and act it out in pairs. অর্থাৎ এটাকে ডায়ালগের মাধ্যমে করতে হবে, যেটাকে অভিনয় করে দেখাতে হবে জোড়ায় জোড়ায়, যেটা আমরা ক্লাসে করে থাকি। Dear learners, it will remain for your homeworks. You will take two to complete the dialogue and try to act it out. Okay, dear learners, there are 5 questions in B2 sections. In which district is Shushang Durgapur located? In which district is Shushang Durgapur located? We know that Shushang Durgapur located in Netrogona district. Number 2, how far is Shushang Durgapur from Dhaka? We know that 170 kilometers far from Dhaka. Where is the Birishiri Tribal Cultural Academy? We know that the Birishiri Tribal Cultural Academy is in Durgapur. How can you get to Shushang Durgapur from Dhaka? We can get to Durgapur from Dhaka by road or by bus from Dhaka Mohakhali bus stand. Okay, number 5, why is Shushang Durgapur called an unseen beauty of Bangladesh? Because there are many alluring attractions, there are many beautiful sights to be seen. Dear learners, thank you all for being with me in the end, and may you have a good time, may you be healthy. Goodbye for now.